Hey, welcome back to God's File. I hope you guys are doing well. This is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be melting candles. If you guys have seen my YouTube short here recently, you guys will know what we're actually doing. We're making a fire starter with cotton, like cotton balls with their little pads, and we are melting some wax. So let's get to this. Hope you guys can see that. Turn this on real quick. You guys see that? Hang on, let me adjust this real quick. As we're doing this, I'll show you guys how melting, but melting pretty quick. The main what heat does to wax. Whew, nice and hot. I'll get something to stir this with. Make sure you do this when your wife is not in the kitchen. She may not like you doing stuff with the pans and nice clean forks and stuff like that. Now you guys can use any type of wax. As far as I know, I've used this wax I have left over from a kind of a reunion type deal, where we just kind of lit up the area with some wax candles. It's looking pretty good so far. How you guys doing? You guys ready for 4th of July? Getting high in here. Yeah, buddy. And once these wax candles do melt down the whole way, you do want to take the strings out. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Hey, welcome back, guys. Sorry about that. So here's what we have so far. I'm gonna turn the burner back on. Like so. When you guys do this, you guys want to get a pan and some wax paper to put the pads on, and pull your string out. You don't want string. You're just going to take some of these little pads and dip them in. Sorry about this, not the most efficient way. Just soak up like that. Sorry about the angle, guys. Now, the magic of television. Now, I have some already done by my father. Me and him did this a couple months ago, and I still have some from him. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys that. Why these dry. Oh, watch out there. Alright. So sorry about all that chaos. Like I said, me and my father did some a few months ago. This is a half of one that I kind of took in half apart. Tear it up. Have the fibers exposed. Let it light up. There you go. It don't take much. What do you guys think? No coal there. I hope you guys like this video. Sorry for the chaos. Clearly you can see I haven't done this for a while. But I hope you guys like what you've seen. If you guys want to see me actually do make a bonfire with them, hit the comments, like it, let me know what you guys think. And I'll catch you guys on the flip side.